Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are exploring a powerful system that can completely change how you manage multiple online accounts with more control, more security and less risk. We are talking about OctoBrowser. Before we proceed, a quick clarification for all my viewers. This video is for educational purpose only, not a financial advice. Always respect platform rules and use tools responsibly. Now let's get into it. Viewers, imagine managing dozens, even hundreds of accounts from one clean dashboard. No device switching, no messy setup, no constant fear of bans. OctoBrowser acts like your central command center. It lets you create and manage unlimited accounts across platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Amazon, eBay, and Shopify, all in one simple, organized, and scalable. Here's where things get powerful. Every website tracks your digital fingerprint, your device, your browser, your behavior. After browser changed that completely. It uses advanced spoofing inside a Chromium based system. Each profile becomes a real unique identity. Two websites, it looks like a different person using a different device. You control everything from browser setting to hardware level details. This is critical for serious marketers and e-commerce professionals. Now let's talk efficiency. First, API automation. Here you can check out its different functions and here its feature. Viewers, you can automate repetitive action using code. You can check out team collaboration, work with your team, assign roles, control access, transfer accounts securely without exposing sensitive data. And then you can check out the cookie robot. It imports, exports, and even warms a cookie automatically. Plus, built-in proxy support, no complicated setup. Everything is designed to save time and reduce effort. So this is not just another tool. OctoBrowser has been recognized as the best anti-detect browser at major industry event. Here you can check out the details. It also holds a strong 4.8 out of 5 rating on G2. You can also check out it has achieved Mac Affiliate Conference 2024 Best Anti-Detect Browser Award, and it has also achieved Affiliate Space Award of 2025 and Best Anti-Detect Browser. So that means real users trust it and professionally rely on it daily. Here you can also check out its affordable pricing plans. Let's break it down simply. There's a plan for every stage. So here you can check out light plan. So you can check out that it's great for beginners. Start small with a few profiles, and price is €10 per month with 3 profiles. And the next one is starter with €29 per month price with 10 profile. And you can check out that the starter plan is for growing users, more profiles, more flexibility. And the next one is base profile. Viewers, it's for serious individuals, full API access included, and price is €79 per month with 100 profiles. And the team, that is the most popular plan, perfect for all small groups, collaborations made easy. Price is €169 per month with 350 profiles and team members 3 access to the API. And the next one is advanced plan for the large scale operations, thousands of profiles, maximum power, and yes, long-term plans can save you up to 30% discount offer. So this was the monthly plans. Here you can also check out the detail of the 3 months plan. 6-month plan is also available options, and here you can also check out 12-month plans. So prices are different, but in the long run, if you buy a 12-month plan, you can grab amazing discount offers and it goes up to 30%. So viewers, here you can also check out the comparative chart of different plans and their comparative characteristics. You can check out how it differentiate between them and how you can. And here you can also check out that different payment methods are accepted here. You can make payments through Visa, Union Pay, and Bitcoin, and many other. So if you have any question, you can find out detailed answer. Still you have any question, don't forget to drop your question in the comment section. And if you want to join it, the process is very simple. First of all, you will have to sign up your account. Here you can check out, you will have to put your email and then you will have to set a strong password, and after it you can download the application and start your work. So this is how very easy process, very easy. So you are now inside the dashboard. So viewers, now here's the real question: are you just going to watch, or are you going to upgrade how you work? If you are serious about multi accounting, if you want more control, more security, more scale, then don't stop here. Go explore OctoBrowser yourself. Link has been given in the description of the video. Start small, create your first profile, test the system, because the real understanding comes when you actually use it, and that's where the real advantage begins. If this video helped you understand the system better, drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more powerful tools and strategies. See you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.